Hello students of class 10. Today I am going to give you a brief summary from the economics lesson, that is social science part 3 economics part. The economics first part consists of the barter, and the chapter is money and banking. So the money and banking, to understand about banking we need to understand money, and to understand money we need to understand about the transaction which were done earlier before money was invented or discovered. So we need to learn about barter system. So what is barter system? Barter system is nothing but exchange of commodities with other commodity. With other commodity. But here are certain problem. As for example, there is a lack of double coincidence of want. Lack of, that is the main characteristics, the main demerits of the barter system, that is the lack of double coincidence of wants. So what is this? Suppose, as for example, if a boy named Rahul has rice with him and his want is wheat, he need to exchange rice with wheat, and again he need to go to the market to exchange that one. So he has rice, he wants wheat. Another person, that is Mohan, he has wheat and he wants rice. So there is an establishment of double coincidence of want. But what will happen? Mohan has wheat, but his want is potatoes. Rahul does not have potatoes. Mohan need potatoes, but he can give wheat. But Mohan does not want wheat, does not want rice. So there is a lack of double coincidence of want. So Rahul has to find out a person again who needs rice instead of wheat or potatoes. So in this way the search is going on. After searching of several days of finding, or for the whole day of the finding in the market, Mohan may not have the required product, the required thing, or the Rahul may not have the required thing. So this is one of the main cause of the barter system, lack of double coincidence of want. Another thing is that barter system lacks a common unit of account. Common unit of account. Common unit of account. This is also a main problem. Suppose if Rahul has bigger thing like elephant and he wants horses, but Mohan has horses. For one elephant, Mohan cannot exchange for one horse, because elephant is a bigger animal and horse is a small animal. So that is the thing. Again thing is that the unit of account cannot be divided. The division cannot be done. In the case of elephant, you cannot cut the elephant into two pieces and divide it for a horse. So this is the thing. Another problem is that the common unit of account is that, another thing is that everything today in money economy we used to express the value of every product with price. There is a value of every product in price, value, and it is expressed with price, rupees, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, whatever it is. In this way we used to calculate the price of the product. In barter system we cannot do it. Another thing is that it becomes difficult when the product is indivisible. As I have already mentioned earlier in regards to elephant, you cannot exchange the elephant for a piece of bread. Elephant is way too expensive and bread is lesser expensive. You cannot cut the elephant into pieces, and small pieces cannot be done. Okay, another lacking of barter system is that it lacks a store of value. Suppose, as for example, if a person is earning, he want to buy a car, but at an instant he cannot accommodate the price of the car, but he has a future planning that in future he will buy a car. For after 5 years or 6 years he will have the enough money to buy the car. For this 5 to 6 years he have to keep the value, the price, keep the value of the car. In money is durable. Money is durable, and he can keep the money wherever he likes. Okay, but for that car or for that commodity, if he want to save something in a matter of other commodity, it is difficult, it is impossible, and it become completely impossible when the product or commodity is perishable. You cannot keep eggs, you cannot keep fish, you cannot keep fruits as a value of the product that you are going to buy in future. So this is the lack of store of value of goods and services. So upon of all these problems, man started to search for money. Okay, but money does not evolve in a day. Money has not evolved in a day. It took several times. Just in regards to the evolution of money, we can say that the first step in the evolution of money is barter, where they faced barter economy produced several problems. So people in search of alternative or in search of better system, they had studied the evolution of money. And evolution of money we take as barter system for at the first as the exchange of goods and goods. Then after barter we had taken in economics as commodity as money. Various commodities were used for in exchange of goods and exchange, and in this way, in these two things, another commodity that was used, which was very common, that is animal money. It is odd to hear that animal can be regarded as money in those times. Yes, in those times some kind of animals like goats were prominent. They were common in transaction, in exchange during the barter system. In this way, people in search of possibilities for exchange, they have come to know the use of various substances. They have come to know the use of various substances like gold and silver. Gold and silver were common metal, and these metal were precious metal, and this metal can be utilized in exchange of other commodities. So men start to use golds and silver coins as money, and in those times gold and silver were easily acceptable as the medium of exchange. Slowly, when men find difficulty in supply of available gold and silver, slowly the gold and silver, the supply of gold and silver decreased, and they were unable to mint coins from gold and silver with gold and silver. So they were again in search of other substances. Then they have come to know as a final product as paper money. And till now we are using paper money. So next day we will discuss the final evolution of money, how paper money has evolved. Paper money has evolved in two stages, stage 1 and stage 2, and this way we go through it. So I hope so you will understand. If you find difficulty, feel free to ask me any question from this part. Thank you.